This is a 2013 Buick Verano. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, the IntelliLink infotainment system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 23,000 miles. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Greenwood Hubbard Chevrolet is located at 2635 North Main Street in Hubbard. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.